how are you all? So this time I'm going to tell you it's a very beginner project. It's called Make It Fly, Collect the Tacos. There are many ways to make it, but this is my way that I'm going to show you. So first, you have to delete the sprite and then click on Choose a Sprite. And then you drag down to get the cat flying. Yeah, but if you see in the costumes, it has two costumes. So you can delete this one because we only need to use this one. And you don't need to put A because there's only one cat flying. And this, you can change it player like that. And that's how you do it. And then you get another sprite. It's called a taco. It's like a food that the cat has to collect and change its size to 40. And then go to backdrops and choose a backdrop. And then click on star and get the stars one. And then we have put all the sprites we need. But if you want, like we can get you one. But we are going to do this only because it's only a tutorial how to do. So then after that you can add whatever you want, like play button and all that. Yeah. So it's like cat flying. You want it to spawn here. So when green flag clicked, go to this XY position. And then point in direction 90 and all the basics like set size to 100. But you need to get the go to front layer, which is not a basic. Because like it will not, because if you don't put the go to front layer, if you will see the tacos are going over the cat, that won't look nice. So if you bring the go to front layer button, the cat will go over the tacos because it's gone to the most front layer. And then the tacos go behind the cat. So that's how it is, okay? And so let's first code for the cat. Control forever loop. Get 2 ifs, actually 3. Get 3 ifs. So sensing if key space pressed. Yeah, change this to up arrow key and change this to down arrow key. And then go to motion and then get the change Y by. Change this to the one that you put in the down arrow key. Change that to down arrow key. Let's see how much we've done. See, we can move the cat. But what's in the third if? Yeah, I know. Go to sensing and get the touching. We'll do that later because that's about the end game or something. Like at the game where it, like the cat collects the tacos. So we can ignore that for some time. So let's go to taco. And now we will say about tacos. Taco has the most coding in my method. So when green flag clicked, you say you wanted to teleport any area from here. So let's say let me just get a go to XY position block. And our operator block, which is pick random. And then about that, you have to change the 1 to 148 or any result that you have got. And you can change it to -511, -151, I mean. For me, that's the result for me. And then you will see that whenever the green flag clicks, it spawns at another area, right? So then you want it to show also. Not really that necessary, but still. You want it to show. So it's showing. My hands are also very cold. And then you want the set size to 40 because it's 40, right? Right here it says 40. And then you say broadcast me a message. This is my way. Don't judge me. This is my way. Let me see. There's no broadcast message here, so it will be working here. So when I receive message 1, then the taco, this is the real coding, like when it comes to the cat and when it reappears, when it shows and all that. So you get go to forever loop and then go to motion and then get the same forever loop, and then you can just duplicate the pick random one, put it in the Y position, and that is only the beginning. Like if first you wanted to show, we put it in the goal. If it's already here, why do we need it here? Well, because after it has come to the cat, you want it to go back to a specific position, don't you? So that's why we put it there. And you can also put a show over here if you want. I'm going to put it. And then you go to control. Then you get a repeat block and change the 10 to 50. And then you say that change x by -10. And then get an if block as well. And this is like disappearing when it reaches this part. So operators, then this equals to 1, and then sensing, actually motion, then get the x position from motion, and then change it to -256. Yes, okay. Now let's see, like it's coming this way. Cool, right? And you want it to hide, but then it'll reappear later because it's only for a second. See? Okay, now it is done, like moving, and then get the cat flying. This is now we're going to code for this if, the third one. Then you say if touching the taco, then you will say like that I will variables. First we need to make a variable as well. Let's make it tacos collected. Yeah, and then you double click, but only left click, and first do the right click and then click on large readout, and then it will become like this. You do it like this, and then you also have to set it 0 at the beginning. You also want to change, nope, wrong, wait. I meant to put it here. Actually, my mouse accidentally slipped, so tacos collected, change it by 1. And then you want to broadcast another message to tell the taco, please hide, because I have collected a message. So let's just say message 2, because message 1 is already used. And then message 2, and then you can go in looks and get the hide block. Let's see. Easy as pie. No wonder this is so easy, right? Very easy. But there's also one more thing that you guys are missing. If it's in space, you want it to twirl and you also want it to change color. So that is easy as well. I mean, just get the green flag. Go to looks. Oh my god, this is glitchy. Go to looks and get the change color effect. Go to motion, get this one and change this to 10. And then get to forever loop. And then put it in at the green flag and put these 2 in it. And look, it's becoming more colorful. Easy as pie. You can just make this game in so less. Not even 20 minutes have happened. It's only not even 15 minutes have happened. Only 12 minutes have happened for making this game. That's not so long, isn't it? Bye. Bye, everyone.